Alright guys, this is John here with Curb Appeal Lawn Care. I'm going to do a quick video here on a wireless backup camera system that I bought for my enclosed trailer. And if I'm pronouncing this name correctly here, it is a company called LeeKooLuu. Well, actually, let me show you this here real quick. I'm not for sure how this is pronounced, but right there is their name. What this was, I had always had a hardwired system on my trailer, and right here's the trailer. I've got a 20-foot long enclosed 102 wide. It's the 8.5 foot wide, whatever it is there. And like I said, I'd always had a hardwired system using RCA connectors. And this time I went wireless. I kept having problems with the hardwired cameras, and then just connections always corroding up on it, so I went with a wireless system this time. But I'll show you here real quick inside the truck. And that is the screen right there. It uses the little wireless antenna up here. It's the 2.4 gigahertz. It's a dual source, one source being wireless, and the other is hardwired for the RCA cables. This kit does come, I went ahead and did it, I hardwired it in, but it does come with the power outlet adapter that you can put into a power outlet here, or you can just do the hardwired. The kit came with all of the hardware needed. But I'll go ahead and take you back here to the trailer real quick, and we'll show you the camera on the back of the trailer. Like I said, I did just put this on, so I don't know for sure how it's going to work. I mean, reviews on it, I got it off Amazon, paid $169, I believe it was. But there is the actual camera. And this is all wireless. I'll show you here on the inside of the trailer. The only hookup I had to do, the kit did even come with the extension range antenna for it, which I did put on here. Right now, as you can see, it's just mounted on the back wall. I want to see how it picks up. Everybody talked very highly of it, but as far as hookups go, the only thing you have is a power connection right here for the power. This was my old RCA hookup that I had for the hardwired camera. I went ahead and just left it in the trailer. It's all ran and tucked away, so it wasn't a big issue. But like I said, I mean, there's the antenna for the extension range. I went ahead and put it on because I got silicone my hole shut there. So I went ahead and put the antenna on it just in case I do need to extend it, and I'll bring it up towards the front of the trailer here. But as you can see, install wise was very, very easy. That mount that was in the truck, I'll take you back up here, is a mount that I already had. But what we'll do, I'm curious, I haven't even done this myself yet. We're going to start it up and see if it gets any interference in it.
David Harsher, Hendricks Regional Health.
As you can see, it still stays nice and clear, doesn't get fuzzy or get lines running through it. This does have all of the different settings in it, your brightness, the contrast, color, zoom is either the 16:9 or it's got the 4.3, which is the smaller screen. You can rotate your image left, right, up and down, or top to bottom, flip it. Dimmer, I set it on auto so it'll automatically dim. Guidelines on or off, I don't use the guidelines for it. Settings there. Like I said, I did this for the sole purpose. This trailer is so wide you can't see around it. I do have driveways that we have to back into, and I cannot see if somebody pulls up right behind me and is not leaving me enough room to be able to back into the driveway. So I went ahead and put the first camera on, like I said, which was hardwired. Now I went with a wireless just because I was having so many issues with connection. So we're going to see how the wireless camera does. I'll put another review out over time here. It does have night vision on it also. So we're going to see how it does over time. I'll do another review down the road on it. But like I said, all the reviews on this was very good. So we're going to go ahead and give it a shot and see how it does. Give you guys a follow up here. I did, as far as advertising goes, I mean, we got postcards that are going out this year, and then free advertisement for us was these logos, decals that I've got for my trailer. I've got to go pick up my ones for the side here. I had to have some work redone on those, but we'll get those picked up, and I'll get a video out of those going on the trailer also. The only other thing that's been done was I did put a light here, a light bar on the front of the truck just for extra light at nighttime. So anyhow, I just wanted to throw out a quick video there. Truck's doing great. I did have the ceramic coating on it. I've actually went out and bought Adams Polishes ceramic boost that I am now using on it also to maintain the shine. I went and had it washed yesterday and then put the boost on there today. So it is still looking good. But anyhow, guys, like I said, this video was on the review for the LeeKooLuu, if I'm pronouncing it correctly, wireless camera system. Bought off of Amazon. I believe it was 169 bucks I spent for it. But anyhow, guys, this is John, and we'll catch y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.